Hello. Today we are going to look at Office 365 and how to navigate your email. Outlook is the school's official way to communicate. It isn't stored on your computer, however, you access your email in the cloud in Office 365. Office 365 allows you to access your email, calendar, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive. You may access Office 365 from school, at home, or even on your phone. There is an app you can download and sign in with your account. The easiest way to access Office 365 is to sign in through your Clever. Once you are signed in, you have access to all of the Office 365 apps. Please take note of the OneDrive app. This is where you should save all of your files. But today we're going to focus on the Outlook. Click on your Outlook app. This is your school email. It will be very important to check your email daily for any communication from your teachers or the school. Once you are signed in, take note of the organization. The left column has all of your folders. Please note the clutter and junk folders. You may want to check this often, as sometimes important emails may get stuck in your clutter or junk email. In order to compose a new message, you click on the New Message button at the top. And when you're in the message, to address the email to a person, you simply begin typing in the person's last name and the email addresses will begin populating. Make sure you choose the appropriate name to add them. If you are replying to an email, make sure you choose the appropriate reply or reply all, depending on who you want to email back. Just keep in mind that if you choose reply all, it goes back to everyone that was included in the original message. A few things to keep in mind about email etiquette. When you're emailing, be clear and concise in your message. Always begin by addressing who you are sending. Type in their name. After your clear and concise message, always end your email by signing or typing your name at the end. And don't forget, check your email daily. Email is a great life skill to learn how to communicate professionally.